65 kilometers from Canterbury City, on the road number 3199, is Sinakarin Dam. On the site, you can see the Sinakarin Dam, the largest clay core dam in Thailand. After watching the largest clay core dam in Thailand, you can walk or drive on the dam crest to see the enormous freshwater lake. Then, watch the sundial, which was made by concrete. It uses the sunshine to tell the time. Leave for Erawan Waterfall to see one of the beautiful waterfalls in Canterbury. It has 7 levels or tiers for tourists to trek and swim. Besides, there are nature study paths for about 1,060 meters or 30-minute walk through the rainforests, scenic point and beautiful deciduous forests. Appreciate the nature and learn from the informative signs. 45 kilometers drive from Sinakarin Dam, there is a Huayme Kamin waterfall, the most beautiful waterfall in Canterbury, which still has the abundance of nature with very beautiful forest trees. There are tents or shelters to stay in the Erawan National Park or stay at the houses of Sinakarin Dam, which have various choices of accommodations.